Welcome back to another session on hydraulics. In this video, we will discuss about hydraulic braking system. What is a hydraulic braking system? A hydraulic brake system is a braking mechanism that uses brake fluid to transmit force into the system. The fluid transfers pressure from the control mechanism to the braking mechanism. Now let us understand how the braking system works with the help of an animation. Let's take a look at the components that make a typical hydraulic braking system. We have the brake pedal, the push rod, the servo, the master cylinder, the reservoir, and hydraulic lines. The brake pedal transfers the mechanical force applied by the driver to the push rod. The push rod transfers the mechanical force applied by the brake pedal through the servo to the master cylinder. The brake servo or the vacuum booster assists the driver by applying additional force to the braking system. The master cylinder converts non-hydraulic pressure from the driver's foot on the brake pedal into hydraulic pressure. When braking pistons with seals and springs in the master cylinder creates a hydraulic force which pressurizes the entire hydraulic system, brake fluid returns to the master cylinder when pressure is released. The reservoir holds sufficient brake fluid to stop air getting into the hydraulic system. Finally, we have three hydraulic lines which carry the brake fluid to the front and rear brakes now. Let's take a look at the hydraulic system in action. Here we can see the wheels turning. Pressing the brake pedal extends a push rod through the brake servo and into the master cylinder. The master cylinder pressurizes the entire hydraulic system and forces the brake fluid to the hydraulic lines. Brake fluid travels through hydraulic lines, applying pressure to the caliper or the wheel cylinder piston, which in turn creates the friction force required to slow the wheel, and that's the basic of how hydraulic brake system works. Let us discuss a few advantages and disadvantages of hydraulic brakes. Here are the few advantages. They transmit uniform pressure. They help in multiplying the driver's effort more times than that of mechanical brakes. The brake fluid also acts as a lubricant and reduces the frictional losses at high speed braking. They are simpler in construction and lighter in weight. And the disadvantages are there is always a possibility of oil, fluid leakage which can render the system inoperative or compromise the friction surfaces. Extreme heat may cause the fluid to boil, forming bubbles that compress and cannot transmit pressure effectively. However, environmental factors such as moisture can deteriorate the hydraulic fluid over time and cause corrosion failure of internal components. When you connect the battery to the clip, the wheel will start rotating. I hope you enjoyed the project. Show some love by giving a like to the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.